Yo, what's up beautiful people of YouTube? Welcome to Dom's Media Zone. Now today's video is a little bit different. Today we're talking about the GoPro Hero 11. Specifically, we're going to try and test out this GoPro Hero 11 to see if we can use it to shoot YouTube videos with. So exactly what I'm doing right now with my Canon 90D. I am shooting a YouTube video where I am talking directly to the camera with some lighting in the room. I'm going to try and replicate this using the GoPro Hero 11. Now, GoPro Hero 11 is known to be an outdoors camera that takes beautiful videos, but out in the sunlight. So when there's good sunlight outside, the GoPro excels and shines, but it doesn't do so well indoors. Specifically with low light, the GoPro can be troublesome. It can leave a lot of noise on your video because it tries to boost that low level of light using its own programming that's built into it. So what I was curious about is, can we use a GoPro Hero 11 to record a YouTube video indoors with decent lighting? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try replicate this setup that I've got going on right now and record myself using the GoPro. Now what I'm going to do firstly is use the media mod. So this GoPro here has got the media mod on it, which means it's using the microphone from the media mod. But then I'm going to do two takes. So the second take that I'm going to do is without the media mod, and that's going to use the built-in microphone on the GoPro. So it can be a comparison of the two microphones, media mod and GoPro, and then also so you can see how it records a video such as this one. At the end of the video, I will put all the settings that I've used on the GoPro to record this video with. So if you want to get those, just go to the end of the video and grab a screenshot. So if this is something that you'd like to see, stay tuned and enjoy. Alright, so far you've been watching me on the Canon 90D camera recording this video, but I'm going to go ahead and switch right now to the GoPro Hero 11. And here we are right now recording with the GoPro 11. So I did have to dim the lights a little bit, my main lights that are coming in the front, because the GoPro on the screen from what I could see was too overly exposed. So I dimmed the lights a little bit, and I am recording now with the GoPro Media Mod microphone. So my sound that you're hearing is from the Media Mod microphone, and it is recording in 5.3K, 30 frames per second in a linear setting. So I'm trying to kind of get it as close to as I can to the Canon 90D. The Canon 90D records in 4K, by the way. This is going to be recorded in 5K, but in post-production, when I export the whole video, I'm going to put it into 4K. So I'm doing this in 5K just to kind of give it the best quality possible. So I don't want to take anything away from the GoPro. I just really want to see whether it is doable, whether you need to splash out for a big fancy camera if you want to start a YouTube channel, or whether a GoPro is good enough. So these new GoPros have come a long way, but unfortunately low light conditions have always been the trouble with them. So how does this look? Does it sound okay? Can you see me clearly? Is there a lot of noise? We'll find out. And I hope the microphone is clear. So this is what I sound like with the media mod, like I said. And just now when I do switch over, I'm going to record also with the GoPro, but without the media mod. So what I'll do is I'll switch the media mod off and I'll just record using the GoPro microphone. So you be the judge. This is, even though it's in the linear view, as you can see a lot more wider. So with the Canon 90D, the lens I was using is a 10 to 18 millimeter lens. So it's a wide lens, but the GoPro lens, even in linear mode, is a lot wider. So it shows a lot more of your surroundings in the frames. But I don't think that's too distracting. I really do think you can get away with using a GoPro for your YouTube channel. Alright, so now I'm going to switch over to the built-in microphone in the GoPro. So this is without the media mod, just the GoPro on its own. And I'm switching over right now. Alright, now I switched the GoPro Media Mod microphone off, and now you're listening to me via the built-in microphone on the GoPro 11. So this is the standard microphone that comes with the GoPro. If you just bought the GoPro on its own without the media mod and all these additions, this is what you would be able to hear me like. From what I've been hearing, it's pretty good. I mean, I only got this GoPro a few days ago, so I haven't really been playing with it too much. I just haven't had the time. So this is kind of a new test for me as well. So is the microphone just as good as with the media mod, or is it a little bit worse? You decide. I know this isn't in an outside setting where there's a lot of wind and external noise. I'm in a pretty quiet room. It might be echoey because I don't have any kind of sound barrier protections or things like that. So it might be a little bit echoey, but we will see. So this is what it sounds like without the media mod. Is it still good enough? Is the quality fine and acceptable? You be the judge. I will review this video afterwards and I will be looking forward to seeing your comments down below. With regards to the settings of the GoPro that I'm using to record this video, have a look over here. I'll paste them on the screen right now. If you want to go ahead and click pause on the video and take a screenshot or just take a photo of them with your camera or whatever you choose. So these are the settings that I've been using and hopefully they will help you out. So now we're back with the Canon 90D, which is what we started with. Is there a huge difference or could you get away with using the GoPro in these conditions? So I do hope you liked this video and I do hope it helped you out to clear up some questions you might have had about using the GoPro indoors in a lighting situation such as this one. If it did, do give me a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to this channel. Loads more videos to come in the future. So as always, stay safe, take care and goodbye.